Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to apply for Medicaid in Georgia. So make sure you watch till the very end because this is actually very simple. First up, we're going to search for Medicaid in Georgia in whatever browser you have, and then you'll see a bunch of options will come up. Let's say there we have Georgia Medicaid, which is the official website. You click on this one, wait for it to load, and then once it's done, you can see that they have all of these plans, blah blah blah. Let's say that you wanted like a basic eligibility, so you're going to click on that, and then they'll say that you may be eligible if you are pregnant, child or teenager, 65 or older, legally blind, disability, all of this. So what you need to do is click on this link actually, so that you can submit an application, but it's not showing up for me because I'm not from Georgia. So there's this location issue, but you can see that they have bunch of these other websites that can also go through and select one that meets your need, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.